So hello and welcome back to another video. My name's Glenn and we're talking about scams of the century. Oh, obviously not a scam of the century. You know, Enron's a pretty good one. But this one is a small one. And the reason why it's a bit of a scam is because they're trying to take your money away at overinflated prices for something they don't even have yet. So here we have the Matilda coins. So if we have a look at the actual leaflet, so this is a leaflet, and as you can see, we've got free $2 and for $1. These are not going to be in a pack. The purple penny has already spoken about these. These are just going to be issued as change, and it says starting from the 5th of July. The thing is that these have not been officially released yet. So obviously people from Woolworths, not everyone, just some people, have got these coins and are trying to sell them early. So yeah, so this is probably in storage somewhere. I can't accuse any individual of anything, but if you have a look at the coins, these are just photos. We see we've got free $2 coins with green, black, yellow, with a soccer ball and the emblem of the Matildas. And down below with the $1 coins, we've got 3 female soccer players. So one of them's goalie. I can't remember the positions. Offsider, midfield, and looks like the last one is attacking. So those designs are actually quite good. I don't mind them, especially the goalpost. Looks quite good. And the $2 coins, yeah. How much are these being sold for? Oh, $99. I wonder if they have sold any. So you got a quantity, 6 sold. Gee. And if we go down below, yeah, we've got the, oh my god, look at the Vegemite coins. God, this, talk about people, you know, trying to get your money. So what I want to look for is go to their page. I don't care who the seller is, and yeah, they're just selling $6,000. Yeah, so this person's just in it for the money. Yeah, I've got no problem with that, but you know, they're getting these coins before, or even they've just pinched the image off someone else, probably off Facebook somewhere. So yeah, $99. Why would you buy them for $99? You're going to be able to get them in change fairly easily soon. And this one, Animalia, 20 cents. Yeah, you can get those $15 still. And quite a lot of Ava coins. Now, this is a major reason why I don't actually buy these. So here we have the yellow $2 for $15. And it's not even a coin. Just remember, these are not being released yet. This is a pre-sale, so you probably have to wait at least a month to get these coins. So I think this is all against eBay's terms of service. And here we have the $2 coins, but it looks like what they've done is they have cut out the actual images and stuck them on over $2 coins, so, or even just photoshopped them. So these are not real $2 coins. This is counterfeit, forgery. Yeah, probably forgery actually, because they're faking the image and they're trying to sell it. At least they got pre-sale. Does it say when they'll have it? 32 sold. How much are they selling them for? $40. Nah, you should be paying $3 to $4 probably on eBay, probably up to $6 maximum for these coins. Now you got eBay fees. Okay, I'm looking for item description. There you go. Okay, yeah, blah blah. Coins will be uncirculated, taken from mint bags, distributed coin capsules. So where's he getting the mint bags from? The only way he can get them is from Woolworths. So either they work at Woolworths or know someone that works at Woolworths and got the bags, or they are hoping to get the bags later on. Okay, this may take up to 6 to 7 weeks, as late as the 19th of July. So obviously you're waiting over a month for that. Okay, and look at this. So someone's known about this for a while. Here we have the, if you go into the legislation, so currency determinations, they would have had these described anyway. The Socceroos $2 coins. So this is probably where, I don't know where this person got their information, but they made some coin covers for these coins, for the $2 coins. Wonder if they got $1 coins. Anyway, not into that, but you know, the design's not too bad. So that's those, and then we've got some other ones. So here is another pamphlet. So obviously this person's stolen the screenshot from somewhere. So I'd say more than likely all this information comes out on Facebook. So look, all these screenshots are pretty much the same. So that's the same, that's the same, that looks the same. So there's been one image release, and a lot of people have jumped on the bandwagon and trying to get the money. I wonder if a lot of these people would actually get their coins once they come out. That's another thing too. There you go. Obviously this one is also a screen capture. Don't know. Might not be, might be, I don't know. So let me know what you think about this. Well, at least AC/DC would have a pretty bad ban. Let me know what you think about this. So they haven't even been released. People are still trying to flog them off on eBay for high prices. But once they come out, these prices should crash, because everyone will get their fill, and these people, well, none of them have got the coins yet, will, you know, go, yeah, we sold them, we come rich before they go come poor, thank you and goodbye.